Welcome to ECNTRADE Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Viewing the US dollar index, which measures the greenback strength against a basket of 6 major currencies, has posted a shooting star, which now gives some concern on its recent bull run. Still, we need confirmation to this candlestick. A close under 95.50 or around there, as you can see where I've outlined, could indicate a correction to the bear case and see a pullback towards the region of around 94.60. This in terms would see the euro, as it's recently grinded down to 113, has posted a relatively bullish candlestick, being a dragonfly. However, dragonfly doji is a bearish candlestick, but nevertheless, keeping an eye on this oversold pattern, is I do expect to see eventually a retracement. Bouncing off that level of 112.60.80 now puts it in perspective a short-term rise, depending on how strong this Japanese candlestick dragonfly doji is. Now, if it was a bullish candlestick, then I would say that we could get back to about 114.80. But depending on how strong this is, we can still see another test to the downside. So it's a little bit on a touch and go basis when it comes to how strong the bullish case may eventuate. Nevertheless, I would say getting confirmation from the dollar index of the break to the downside from the shooting star confirmation, then this would actually see further weakness to dollar and a bullish outcome for the euro. Looking at the Australian dollar, since the rejection from the 60-day moving average and also posted around that 73.5 level, the market is focusing on the downside around 72.20 area. There is a little bit of divergence coming through here. I'm not overly bearish to this level of where we are at the moment and could see a short-term impulse up towards the region of around 70 to 80, 90 area and reassess from there. If another failed attempt would see a downside move looking towards that 71, 60, 80 area. However, there is a little bit of conflicting signals here. So this is why I feel, first of all, of an impulse to the upside and see how strong it is. The dollar yen case rejects that topside level, which was around 114.70.90, and from the rejections posted an outside range day. From that outside range day, now waits confirmation, but still from the current pattern, we could see a slide back to 113.20 or even to 112.65, where the base is. The pound, after its recent weakness, has come back to a slightly bullish case and posted a bullish outside range day. That gives further scope to the upside. Now looking towards 135.5. However, the technicals are in play for this current move. But let's see how strong it is, because that recent down candle still may give the jitters to the bullish case and see another test back towards that bottom side around the 134 area. CAD yen was rejected from that topside broad range of 90.30 to 91.40. From the rejection of that 91.40 level, post an outside range day. Now a close under 90.20 would give further indication down towards the bottom side of the low 89 region. With the technical aspect very heavy, could get that confirmation soon. Gold, well, the market did post a bearish outside range day from the rejection of 1,876. No confirmation came through as we were looking for a close under 1,844. Instead, the bulls come back, but still there is a little bit of divergence coming through here, so we may see another ambush around that 1,876 and eventually see a downside move. While we remain underneath that top side of 76, let's see if we can get the confirmation of 1,844 to open the way down to 1,815. And getting the break of 78.70 has confirmed the downside move to 74.80. We're halfway there, and from the technical aspect, could get to that bottom side of the range before a rejection or profit taking emerges. Well, that wraps it for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and as always, look out for the intraday report. I hope you enjoy the rest of the day.